to Get Lit with Lara
And me, Terri.
So today we will be making.
Is there a hint in our clothing?
I don't know. I'm a little too retro maybe for that. Maybe too 70s.
Maybe.
You fit perfectly though.
Yeah.
So today we're going to be making an old fashioned. And you know, strangely enough, a lot of people think old fashions are really hard drinks to make, but they're really not. Like, it's actually super simple. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients.
We need a peeler to get a strip.
We will, yes.
All right, I'll get that.
Thank you. So what you start is you start with your handy little cup. I probably use this one of the most out of everything, other than maybe this tool here, the measurement.
Do you want me to do the strip while you do that?
That's not until the end.
Oh, okay.
So you can just cool your horses. Cool your horses.
I like to be of help.
Do you? Do you? Okay. So first thing we're gonna do is get the sugar cubes.
Oh, it's a sweet one.
Take the sugar.
Or is it usually sweet? Now you could do a sugar syrup in this as well, right?
You can. I don't know. There's something more classic about the sugar cube that I like. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna
set them on fire.
No, not in this drink. This is not a tiki drink, Miss Carter. This is an old fashioned. So you're gonna start by putting your sugar cubes in, and then you're going to get bitters, specifically Angostura bitters. And you're gonna do like, 2 or 3 in there, depending on taste. I like a little bit of sour. I like sweet and sour. And then you're gonna muddle them. So you're gonna take your end of the tool again and muddle them.
I'm always muddled when I drink.
It's basically you're just breaking down the sugar. This is what you would use a sugar syrup for.
Okay. Why do you think they do sugar syrups most of the time? Is it because it's just easier to do the liquid?
It's faster. And then, depending on the person, I usually put my cherry in at this point. I tend to like mine a little bit sweet, a little bit sour, a little bit scotchy, a little bit notchy.
You didn't answer my question.
What was your question?
What was my question? Oh, my question was, do you think that the reason they do the syrup is because it's faster in a bar setting?
Probably.
Yeah.
A lot of bars now are doing sort of this, when they do beer and they do a pouring system.
Oh, yeah.
They're doing that with old fashions now, which I think is sacrilege.
So it's pre-mixed?
Yeah, it's like a pre-mix that they pour out.
Oh,
Isn't that gross? Yeah. So what I did is I took 3 cherries from our lovely Toshki cherries. These are some of the best cherries. Where did we get these?
I think we ordered them online.
Online? We didn't get
They're
Trader Joe's.
Amareno cherries.
They're very good. They're black syrup cherries. Depending on what you want to do, some people muddle the cherries, some people don't. I like to smash things. So I'm going to smash them a little bit. I feel like it mixes the flavor in with the sugar and the other things. There's also a little bit of liquid that comes with these cherries. And so I tend to put a little bit of that in.
So that's a sugar syrup in itself.
It is, yeah. I'm just making it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of ice. So depending on how strong you like your drink, you either shake it or you stir it. I like a stronger drink, so I tend to stir. You like a weaker drink, so we tend to shake.
Yep.
And it's fun to shake.
Shake your booty.
Ooh, copyright.
And your
So, our star, our main event, the whiskey. The whiskey, most important part. Or bourbon, depending on what you like. I like Basil Hayden's. It's from Kentucky. Get your horses and your whiskey from Kentucky.
Now, so this is a drink mixing whiskey, not a sipping whiskey, more like
Both.
Oh, is it both?
Yeah, you can do both of it. I wouldn't use like a black label for this.
Mm-hmm.
I would use something mid-shelf. This is probably mid-shelf. But I could drink this too. I'm going to go a little light because I know you don't like it strong. Pour that in. And you can actually add water to this if you want. So would you like to add water?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. So, because I know you like a weaker drink, I'm going to shake it. And while we do that, you can do the...
I got a job! So I have a peeler, just a regular old peeler here. And I'm just going to peel a strip off of this clementine. Like so. It smells really
So one thing that I like to do with clementines, oh my darling, is you do this little, once you peel them off, you just do like this to let the oils come out. But sometimes what I like to do is I do this.
Oh, around the rim of the glass.
Oh, inside the glass.
Inside too. Yeah, that's great.
I feel like it makes it a little more Christmassy. Okay, so I've added fresh ice to this, and I'm gonna pour it in. I would normally do like a liquid in it, but I know you don't like drinks that much.
Oh, you're gonna put more cherries?
Yeah. Oh. I'm put a little bit on top.
I love the cherries.
I also feel like the cherry stuff leaves a little bit of like this cherry stain in it.
Nice.
So yeah, if you want to go ahead and try it,
I will. Should I like swirl it a little bit maybe?
if you want to.
Yeah, just to get some of those flavors put together. Look at how pretty that is though. I hope you can see it from there.
We're gonna do close up.
Oh wow. That is really, really good. That is really good. I really like the clementine in it.
Ooh, that is nice.
And it is just really, really good. It's not a harsh drink, and I think it's partly because it's a sweet old-fashioned because of the sugar cubes and also because of the syrup of the cherries. But I mean, this is really, really delicious.
You know, a lot of people, it depends on your taste. Really, a lot of what you drink is your preference. When I go out and I get an old fashioned, I know the bartenders usually, and I usually ask, I'm like, hey, will you muddle some cherries in there? Because I like the whiskey taste, but I like a little sweet. Also, and a little bit of like Christmas. And so while old fashioned is not traditionally a Christmas drink, I feel like it really could be.
Yeah, with the clementine in there, I feel like I am getting a taste of, I have seen, how do you taste Christmas? But you know that flavor you get with like the orange and kind of spicy.
And then the
That's-
cherries too.
Yeah.
Because
with-
fruit salad and things like
yeah,
that.
so it all like comes together and it's really in this one drink. It's great.
Exactly. Well, I'm glad you enjoy it because I know that you are particularly like, you like certain kinds of drinks. You like very sweet drinks.
Right.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys for joining us and happy holidays. And we hope you enjoy getting lit at home with Lara and Terri.
And don't, let's dress up. I mean, yeah, it's COVID times and we're pretty much stuck in our houses, but you know what? I got a lot of fancy dresses that I don't have anywhere to wear them to right now.
Exactly.
So you know what? I'm going to wear them around my house.
New year, new you.
I know, right?
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Cheers.